Hello parents and students. I am making this video to show you a few ways that we are going to try to implement you turning in your work to me through Teams. Okay, so it's so easy. Okay, we have a traditional way. So you may have a document, you'll type into it if possible, and then you would save it to your desktop, I usually say, because it makes it the easiest, because different programs have different places they save. But if we save everything to the desktop, then we can find it. Okay, so you save it to the desktop, and then you can follow the instruction video on how to upload it to Teams. The other way we have is you can use a stylus to write in on programs like Word. They have a draw feature. Okay, and save the document to the desktop again and upload to Teams. The next thing we have is a new thing. It's called Full Screen Snip. I'm going to show you this little short video I made. Here is a full screen snip. Here I'm pretending that I have finished writing online. I used a stylus to write here. I'll show you how I can write here. This is with my mouse, but you can also use a stylus. I don't know how interactive stylus will be with your Dells, or I know it depends on what type of stylus. I would not recommend the kind that have the rubber tip. Anyway, so we'll come down here at the bottom, and I'm going to click on this little icon here. Should be next to where you have your date and time. When I click on it, one thing I can use is the whiteboard, the virtual whiteboard. But today we're looking at full screen snip. I want to turn this in to my teacher. So I'm going to full screen snip it. And now I have a picture of the full screen. And I can come up here and save it. Math. Sally. So that's, hopefully you'll name it better than I did. And I will save it to my desktop so that I will be able to find it later. And then you can upload it to Teams because it's just a picture by that point. Wow, I just learned about full screen snip and I'm really excited about it. Okay, you can take a picture. And so what I've shown over here is I've written on paper, and it's just whatever I was supposed to write that day. If you look close, it says this is an example, but it didn't turn out very dark. So then you can take the picture with the camera, and then you're just going to save it, and it shows here in the thing right over here is the little save button, and you'll save that to your desktop again. And those are the ways that I am going to have you try to take it, upload your things to Teams. Now, in this case with the picture, that would be you just get out a piece of binder paper, you do your work, click, and you save it and upload it. It's all from your personal device. You don't have to use a phone or anything else. Okay, so to recap, we will have the traditional way where you just use typing or a stylus in a document. You can use a full screen snip of something that you've done online, and you can also take pictures of something you've written on paper. Okay, good luck.